Hello everyone. I'm Red Vladimir D. Reyes, a student of Mapuan University from the Department of Industrial Engineering, and this is my Pecha Kucha for Supply Chain Management under Sir Fantilio. And now I'll be discussing all about enhancing transportation and inventory flow of Pocari Sweat in 7-Eleven. So that goes our summary. So first product, which is Pocari Sweat. Next is supply chain overview, data gathering, key challenges, cost benefit, strategic sourcing and IT integration, transportation, goal and recommendation, and last, conclusion. So what is Pocari Sweat? Pocari Sweat is a mild, non-carbonated electrolyte drink launched in 1980 by Otsuka Pharmaceutical. It's positioned as a science-based hydration option targeting active, health-conscious consumers. So for industry and market positioning, it competes with brands like Gatorade and Powerade. Its unique selling point is everyday hydration for middle to upper income groups exposed to heat or physical activity. So for our supply chain overview, the supply chain starts with raw materials suppliers, followed by manufacturing plants, then warehouses, then distributors, then retailers like 7-Eleven, and finally consumers. So for our data gathering, we focus on a key 7-Eleven branch at Rivergreen Residences, Santa Ana, Manila, chosen because of its high quality and high daily customer traffic and sales of fast-moving products like Pocari Sweat. So, the store operates with a solid team led by store manager Aldrich Bidiones, supported by team leaders and other staff ensuring smooth operations and supply coordination. So, for our key challenges include high demand but limited shelf stock, frequent stockouts despite automatic replenishment, limited control at the store level, packaging expiry issues, and disconnected promotion and stock levels. So for our transportation, I have here three questions presented. So products are delivered through CDI's warehouse system, which inspects and stores goods before delivery. 7-Eleven uses a centralized ordering system notifying deliveries every 3 days. Although deliveries are regular, the product sells out quickly, especially in hot seasons, causing stockouts before the next delivery arrives due to limited inventory on the shelves. So for strategic sourcing and IT integration, inventory uses integrated systems with trip tickets, out of stock reports, and auditors to maintain accurate stock levels and ensure timely restocking. So demand for Pocari Sweat spikes during summer and sports seasons, which the current system struggles to fully accommodate due to fixed delivery schedules. Communication between the store and suppliers is efficient under normal conditions, but the system lacks flexibility in urgent or peak demand scenarios. Strategic sourcing involves smart supplier choices and purchases, while IT integration supports fast, accurate inventory and delivery management, streamlining overall operations. So for our cost benefit, again, here we have three questions that I presented to the manager, and here's his answers. So for cost benefit analysis, the current system minimizes expired returns and operates with cost efficient delivery cycles. Benefits include supporting fast moving inventory and controlled pricing through stockouts impact sales. So, for the goal of the study is to evaluate whether the current transportation and inventory systems for Pocari Sweat in 7-Eleven stores can consistently meet high customer demand, minimize stockouts, and align delivery frequency with actual sales performance while identifying areas for improvement in flexibility, forecasting, and inventory responsiveness. So for my recommendation is to improve demand forecasting by using real-time sales data, seasonal trends, and event-based spikes to predict inventory needs more accurately. Second is to set inventory threshold to prevent stockouts, enabling stores to trigger restocking orders sooner when stock dips below the set levels. Next is to adjust delivery frequency based on actual sales rates and empower stores to request emergency deliveries during peak demand or unexpected shortages. Next is sync promotional campaigns with stock availability to avoid mismatch and recheck packaging expiry management to reduce losses from expired goods. So for my conclusion, in conclusion, while the current system works efficiently under normal conditions, enhancements in forecasting, inventory management, communication, and delivery flexibility will greatly improve Pocari Sweat's availability and sales at 7-Eleven. So balikan natin yung mga slides. So again, here's the summary. Here is Pocari Sweat's definition. Here is industry and market positioning. Here is our supply chain overview. Here is the data gathering which I interviewed with Sir Aldrich Bidiones. And here are the key challenges. Here is the cost benefit and I asked the manager 3 questions. And here's his answer. For strategic sourcing and IT integration, again, I asked the manager 3 questions. For transportation, here is our goal, our recommendation, and to conclude our study. Again, I am Red Vladimir D. Reyes, a student of Mapua University from subject supply chain management. Again, this is enhancing transportation and inventory sorry, enhancing transportation and inventory flow of Pocari Sweat in 7-Eleven. Thank you, Sir Fantilio, for the wonderful 14 weeks of supply chain management. I enjoyed a lot and learned a lot from you, sir. Bye.